In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SmartERS Pro step by step. First of all, we need to install Downloader. To do that, go to the home screen on Firestick, navigate to Find, and click Search. Then type Downloader. When you type just D, you'll see that it gives us the option. Okay, click on Downloader. All right, we install it, and that's the first step. The second step is we need to activate the developer options. To do that, go to Settings on your Fire Stick, scroll down and click on My Fire TV. After that, click on About, then click on Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or any Fire TV you have, 7 times until you see the message. No need, you are already a developer.